Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MX870 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MX870 support on the Google, so go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with Canon support for PIXMA MX870. Go ahead and open that up. And then on this page, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then scrolling down a little bit further, there should be a file named My Printer. Select the download button next to that file. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up. It should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. And then you want to proceed with the installation here. Select your appropriate region as well as country. You need to accept the end user license agreement. And if you need to change the destination path, you can. And then just select next. And then once that's done, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can. And if you happen to open up that application, you can see there's different printer settings in here. If you're still having connectivity problems, you can select the diagnose and repair printer option at the top. And that will walk you through different troubleshooting steps in order to hopefully resolve connectivity problems you may be having or experiencing with your printer. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.